Let's learn about nouns. It is a nice sunny day. Everyone is playing happily. Balu says, "Pass me that." Gul picks up a stone and says, "This." Tota picks up a flower and says, "This." Hop holds up her ball and says, "This." Jojo picks up a banana and says, "This." Popo takes an orange and says, "This." Then Balu says, "No, you." Gul says, "Me." Tota says, "Me." Hop says, "Me." Jojo says, "Me." Popo says, "Me." Crow is watching. He asks Balu why he is asking for this or you. How would anyone know what he means? Didn't he know the names of these things and people? Balu apologizes and says, of course he knows the names, but he was just teasing. Crow says naming words are very important to make meanings clear. Otherwise, no one would be able to understand each other. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. Anita and Jay are names of people. So Anita and Jay are nouns. A forest is a place, and New Delhi is also a place. So forest and New Delhi are also nouns. Elephant and monkey are names of animals. So they are nouns as well. And phone and umbrella are names of things. So these are also called nouns. Balu explains that he knows what nouns are and also how important they are. He was just being naughty and trying to trouble the others. He says he is sorry. The others say it is okay. They learnt about nouns because of his teasing. They invite him to play with them.